Inside Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner's Miami oceanfront mansion, please subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you invest $24 million in a mansion, you'd expect it to be fully furnished and move-in ready. However, Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner's brand new waterfront mansion needed some significant renovations at the start. Ivanka and Jared married in 2009 and have 3 children, Arabella, Joseph, and Theodore, relocated from Washington, D.C. after Ivanka's father, Donald Trump, left the White House in January 2021. The family moved to Florida, initially renting a unit at Arte in Surfside. They then purchased an empty lakefront property in Indian Creek Village from Spanish singer-songwriter Julio Iglesias. Indian Creek is a small island off the coast of Miami in Biscayne Bay, Miami-Dade County, connected by a bridge to the nearby town of Surfside. Its secluded location is attractive to wealthy and famous individuals seeking privacy. Following their initial purchase, Ivanka and Jared bought an 8,510 square foot beachfront property in the same exclusive subdivision, dubbed Billionaire Bunker by Forbes. They acquired the 1.26-acre estate for $24 million after it had been on the market for 6 months. The mansion boasts luxurious gardens, pools, and numerous VIP amenities. However, when they first moved in, aerial photos revealed that the mansion's grounds had deteriorated since the listing images were taken. The hot tubs outside were drained, the back patio appears partially retiled, and the once blue pool has turned green and desperately needs cleaning. Indian Creek Village, known as the world's most exclusive town, attracts many high-profile celebrities and business people seeking privacy and luxury. Ivanka and Jared will join neighbors like billionaire Carl Icahn and hotelier Bob Diener. Supermodel Elle Macpherson and her developer husband Jeffrey Soffer are among the elite who also live there. Indian Creek Island, a 300-acre paradise, boasts fewer than 40 residences and is protected by a dedicated 13-person police force ensuring the safety of its high-profile residents. At the heart of the community, homeowners can enjoy a private 18-hole golf course at their leisure. Living in such an exclusive location comes with a significant price tag. For someone like Ivanka Trump, this is the ideal place to own a home. The property taxes for her mansion alone are estimated to be as high as $427,000 per year, similar to other multi-million-dollar homes on the island. The mansion was advertised as a neoclassical masterpiece and supposedly one of the finest move-in condition properties available on Indian Creek Island. The mansion's grand entrance was photographed in 2020, highlighting the home's high-end materials and opulent amenities. As you step through the front door, you're greeted by an imposing lobby featuring a Cinderella-like staircase, a 26-foot domed ceiling, and a crystal chandelier. The home was previously owned by music producer Scott Storch. The mansion's perfected finish may be attributed to his influence. Completed in 1994, the mansion spans over 8,500 square feet, offering 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and numerous light-filled living spaces. Access to the residence is via a single bridge, guarded by a gatehouse manned by the island's dedicated security team. The mansion's ultra-modern appearance is complemented by its natural light-filled interiors, featuring a pristine color palette of whites, blues, and natural wood. The home's numerous entertainment areas include an open-plan lounge adorned with modern art, a sophisticated dining room with an exquisite timber mantel, both overlooking the pool. Additionally, the mansion boasts a screening room, a wood-paneled office, a gym, and several sitting rooms designed for relaxation and entertaining. The house's proximity to Ivanka's father, Donald Trump's opulent Mar-a-Lago residence, makes it convenient for family gatherings. This property exudes luxury with its large kitchen, complete with high-end materials and the latest appliances. The kitchen features a breakfast nook and connects seamlessly to the dining room, French doors open to a shaded dining terrace, perfect for al fresco meals. Before moving to Florida, Ivanka and Jared lived in Washington, D.C., renting a home for $15,000 per month, an ideal base for their roles as Trump's advisors. They also own a villa at Trump National Golf Club in Bedminster, New Jersey, and an apartment on New York's elite Park Avenue. Many expected the couple to rebuild their lives in New York City, Ivanka's birthplace, but they have clearly chosen to settle in Florida. This luxurious residence, far from prying eyes and nosy paparazzi, offers the perfect retreat from media scrutiny. Imagine waking up in the opulent master suite with a mesmerizing bathroom almost the size of a New York City apartment. This space, adorned with marble and lined with mirrored walls, is ideal for the couple. The ensuite features his and hers vanities and a large soaking tub, making it the ultimate luxury bathroom. Ivanka can prepare for her high-profile parties and social activities in this beauty zone with dreamy views of the garden and Biscayne Bay in the distance. This house is unquestionably picture-perfect. The master suite includes a celebrity-worthy walk-in closet. The guest rooms are equally exquisite, each individually decorated and furnished to the highest standards. These serene spaces exude elegance and sophistication. One of the bedrooms opens onto a private balcony with stunning views of the garden below. The house also includes at least one office space, providing a functional yet stylish workspace for Ivanka and Jared. One office is classic with wood paneling, while the other is adjacent to the garden and features a wall of sliding doors that open to the pool area. Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner's oceanfront estate on Indian Creek Island showcase their preference for privacy, luxury, and strategic investment. Their choice of this exclusive enclave, known as the Billionaire Bunker, reflects their desire for a secluded yet opulent lifestyle, well suited to their high-profile status. The meticulously designed interiors, expansive grounds, and proximity to family make this property an ideal retreat. Ivanka and Jared's residence offers a serene and sophisticated haven, perfectly aligning with their affluent and influential lifestyle.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below telling me your favorite part of the home. Also, consider joining our newsletter and Patreon to be a part of the exclusive community. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.